So your professor said that you have to use articles that are peer-reviewed or from scholarly journals for your research project. This tutorial will explain what those are and how to find them. Peer-reviewed articles have been read, evaluated, critiqued, and approved for publication by a panel of experts. Opposite of scholarly journals is popular literature. These include newspapers, magazines, and some online articles. Also, peer-reviewed articles are written by scholars and researchers for academic purposes. At the end of the article, you'll find a works cited or bibliography, and the article contains original research. On the other hand, popular literature is usually written by reporters for the general public, and no documentation of sources is given. So let's look at a real-life example of popular literature, cnnhealth.com. Most of the articles on this website are written by reporters. They summarize and dumb down information in scholarly journals so that the general public can understand the information. Notice that this article refers to a study in the New England Journal of Medicine. That's a scholarly journal. When your professor asks you to use scholarly or peer-reviewed articles, they want you to read the original research articles, not someone else's interpretation. So now that you know what they are, where do you find them? Well, you can always use Google Scholar, but you often have to pay to read articles unless it's from a journal that MCC subscribes to. If you see a link for MCC next to the article, just click on it and read the article. Otherwise, you'll have to pay to read it. Fortunately for you, you can access peer-reviewed articles for free through the MCC library databases. I'll show you how to find these using EBSCOhost. Most of the databases offer similar features, so once you learn how to search one database, you'll know how to search in others. So let's go to Academic Search Complete in EBSCO. I'm going to type in my search terms, and so I'm looking for climate change. I scroll down to this section where it says limit your results, and I can choose right here to search for scholarly journals, and I always check the box for full text so I can read the article on my computer. I'm not going to check those right now because I want to show you one other thing. I would do my search, the results come back, and over here on the left I still have a chance to limit my results to peer-reviewed articles. So I could check the box here and I could still check for full text. So don't worry if you forget to check these boxes before you do your search. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you need further assistance, you can always stop by the library and talk to a reference librarian in person, or you can phone, email, or chat. Thank you. Bye-bye.